Okay guys, so we're going to open up this battery tester, and so let's see what we got in the box. Alright, so I got the battery tester out, and this is everything that came in the box. You got the actual tester with these nice clamps to where you can clamp it onto the battery. Here's a connector or charger cable, so if you wanted to connect this to your computer or to anything like that, you can as well. And another thing about this tester, you can connect it to your computer and print out a diagnostics of your battery. And so let's go ahead and hook it onto the batteries and see what it does. Okay guys, so in order to start the tester, all you have to do is connect it to your battery. It'll start, and here's the menu options. We got a quick test, a battery in vehicle, out of vehicle, like you can just do whatever. Let's go to battery in vehicle. We're going to click that, and we're going to do a battery test. And then it says check surface, turn lights on, headlights on, take about 10 seconds, and then we're going to turn the lights off. So let me do that real quick. Okay, turned our headlights on. Alright, it's been about 10 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and turn the lights off, and then click enter. And then choose whatever type of battery that you have here. Click enter a couple of times after you select your proper settings. And then it will give you this accurate data about your battery. It says it's healthy. The charge is 72%. It tells you your amps. It tells you your cold cranking amps and everything like that. And so right now it says good battery. Okay, so whenever you plug it into the charger, you can look at your previous data. So let's look at our old data right here, and then it'll hold multiple different batteries. This is just the one that I did, and showed that it was good, showed everything about it. And then if you wanted to, you could also print the data out, and it would send it to your laptop, and it would go to your printer. And this is great for like local shops that just want a good product that's not just going to break the bank and that's easy to use. There's all different types of functions. Test the battery whenever it's in the vehicle or whenever it's out of the vehicle, and depending on which one that you pick, it'll give you a different prompt of like what to do. You can also just hit quick test and then just put the amp hour of the battery that you're testing, and then once you do that, it's not hooked up right now, that's why it says clamp fault. But it'll tell you different statuses just depending on what is going on with your battery. Let's look at the other different options. This is different ones different prompts that it'll tell you. It'll tell you to recharge, it'll tell you to replace, it'll tell you if it's a bad cell, or charge it to retest. It will give you the data after that, and you could print it out as well. This product's very simple, very easy to use. I mean, these clamps are very nice. You just click, boom, plug it up, and it's ready to go. And it's small and compact to where you're not gonna take up a lot of room in your toolbox. Thanks guys, highly recommend this product.